Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Good day, thank you for your inquiry on our used Skoda Karoq. This is just a quick video walk around of the vehicle. Vehicle has some nice alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, vehicle also has a very decent boot size, along with a full-size spare wheel. Vehicle is finished off with a very nice black upholstery and white stitching. Folding trays on the front seats for the rear passengers. And lastly we have the front of the vehicle. Again finished off with some nice black interior seats with white stitching. Vehicle currently has 19,933 miles. Vehicle will be serviced before collection. Infotainment unit, dual zone climate control, and electronic parking brake. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any further queries or questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Contact number is 0208 686 8844.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.